Oh guys, come back. Today's video going to show here about to help you how you can start almost about to make Chaps payment about to understand about underestimate how we can start to see the situation. That is going to be really helping you about this kind of moment every single set aside that we are about to have to do this side right here. So what we are going to know understand it's about we really some kind of thing that is already really about to be behind the side of six things that is already very important in our opinion to be done on this situation. So that on Chaps payment, go to payment tab on the connect, choose Chaps payment, enter the UK domestic payment, enter payment details, debit account, payment date, amount and references. Select the beneficiary from the list of the saved beneficiaries. Chaps payments requested online before 3 p.m. should arrive the same working day. That is all to help you.